everyone, this is 𝗘𝗠𝗪𝗁 from the Fortune Group Turkey, welcoming you to an amazing project located right here in the center of Istanbul. This project is located on the Asian side of Istanbul in the Üsküdar district, exactly in the 𝗘𝗠𝗪𝗁 area. Now, 𝗘𝗠𝗪𝗁 is known for its old historical buildings, contemporary architecture, and the waterfront buildings located just right by the Bosphorus, just right by the coast. And particularly, the architects of this project have very beautifully combined the contemporary architecture with the hint of the modern architecture, and that makes this project all the more beautiful. Let's get into the details of this project, and then we'll have a sample apartment tour. Come with me. Now we have here with us Mr. Mohammed, who's going to explain us more about the project. How are you, Mr. Mohammed?
I am fine, thank you. What about you? Good?
I'm good, thank you.
Thank you too.
Could you please tell us more about the project, the kind of apartments that you have, the units that you have, the square meters, the different kind of views, and of course the facilities that are associated with it?
Let's starting from the land, because the land we have it will be 40,000 square meter we have, and it will be like 29 blocks. Okay, each block it will be 60 floor. Each floor it will be just 2 unit type. What we have, it will be starting from 2.5 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 3.5 plus 1, 4 plus 1, and the 5 plus 1.
Amazing.
The 5 plus 1 will be duplex.
Okay.
As you see, and also for the view it will be different view, because we will have the Bosphorus view from that side, the forest view from this side, and we will have the city view and the landscape view.
Perfect.
Yes. And for the square meter, the square meter is different here, because we'll be starting from 153 square meter. It will be maximum 413 square meter. Yes.
Okay, and what about the parking spaces?
The parking will be underground. It will be like -1. We will be have like almost 1,000 parking car. Plus, okay, all the units they will be have private storage area. They will be starting from 8 square meter, maximum 20 square meter. It depends about the square meter for the area.
That's
for
amazing.
the unit, sorry.
That's amazing. And what about the social facilities in this project?
Yeah, it's a good question, because the social facility in our company, okay, it's so different, because you will not find that social facility. So I mean, we have fold home system. So what I mean the fold home system? The fold home system, it will be different. So when you buy any unit from the 𝗃 company, okay, from any project, you will buy plus 24 room. So what I mean 24 room? I mean you can use that 24 room not just in our project, but in all the projects for the 𝗃 construction.
Amazing.
Yes, like guest room, like cinema room, like food room, super room, like all the facilities.
That's amazing.
Yes.
Lastly, because the projects which are under construction, the most important part for our clients is the construction company which is working on that. So could you kindly give us a little more insight on the construction company?
Yes, the construction company name is the 𝗃 Construction. The 𝗃 Construction is a big company here in Turkey and outside from Turkey, because like almost they have like 36 projects around Istanbul, 3 of them in the Bodrum. In the Bodrum it will be like private villa, and they will be have in New York, they have in Kazakhstan, they have like in London also as well. So also like the 𝗃 Construction, they are not interested just for the projects for the living projects. Okay, they are interested about like the project for the smart home system project, for also the energy projects as well. Also they are like sponsored, like the Galatasaray team and the Barcelona team as well, you know, like Barcelona team. It's
exactly,
big team.
it's
yes,
huge.
correct.
That has a name.
And also the last one right now is the 𝗃 Stadium in 𝗃𝗏, Istanbul.
That's amazing.
Yes.
Thank you so much for giving us time and explaining us about this project. Now we're going to have the sample apartment tour, so let's not waste any more time and let's get to it. Hello again. So we're in this beautiful 4+1 sample apartment, 235 meter squares, and amazing Bosphorus view. Right behind me is the kitchen. To my right are gonna be the rooms, and on my left side there's gonna be a very spacious, beautiful living room with an amazing Bosphorus view. Come, let's check it. Oh, and by the way, we have these sliding doors. Welcome in. This was I was talking about. Amazing Bosphorus view. This is gonna look so beautiful at night. And over here, we have this spacious living area, which is very beautiful. And over there, we have the dining area with an amazing forest view. I'm damn sure you're gonna enjoy your tea time over here. Let's get to the kitchen. Now this is the kitchen, very beautiful, very spacious, and all the facilities and the equipments that you see here are going to be included in it. Over here is the microwave oven by a very famous German reputable brand, and the fridges, and the same goes for them as well, by a very famous reputable German brand, and all of this what you see is going to be included in it. Worth mentioning, we have a very good forest view over here as well, so enjoy your time while you make your dinner. Come, let's get to the rooms. Heading towards the rooms and the washrooms, on my right, the first one is the guest washroom. Then we have with us the first bedroom. Again, with a very amazing forest view. Then we have the second washroom. Let's go to the master bedroom. Very spacious, very luxurious, and very beautiful. And of course, we have a very spacious dressing area over here as well. And the washroom. Let's move towards the other rooms. The kids' room. And then we have with us the last room, which obviously you can use according to your preferences. You want to make like a home working space or use it according to your choices. And there is an emergency door in all of the units in all of the apartments as well. And then lastly, we have another washroom over here. And now the most awaited part of the video, the prices. So we're going to start with the 2.5+1 apartment. The prices start from $850,000 and go up to $2 million. And then the 3+1 apartment, and the price starts from $750,000 and it goes up to $1 million. And for the 3.5+1, the prices again start from $850,000 and they go up to $2 million. For the 4+1 apartments, the prices start from $950,000 and can go up to $1 million. And in the last, we have the 5+1 duplex. The prices start from $1 million and can go up to $3 million. Before ending this, I would like to bring your attention to the proximity of this project to the city center. We are right here in the city center in the heart of Istanbul, and from this project, you can reach the city center just by 15 minutes drive. By 10 to 15 minutes drive, you can reach the Bosphorus, the Fatih Sultan Mehmed Bridge, Taksim Square, and all the famous city center attractions. And under 5 minutes, you can get to the private hospitals, good education centers, a very famous university, Boğaziçi University, and very good shopping centers. So indeed, a great value for money. So that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, make sure to let us know. And if you have any questions, any concerns, any queries, feel free to contact us on the contact information given below. This is Aska signing off. See you in the next video.